Modern monster trucks that transport timber don't seem to exist in Vietnam. In this country, where infrastructure is still quite limited, customized vehicles take the spotlight. They are powerful, robust, pulling along heavy loads of wood, undeterred by treacherous muddy roads. But they can't always do everything alone. Sometimes on steep slopes where the wheels get stuck deep, they need the help of fellow teammates. You see, with the support of teammates, every challenge becomes lighter. That's the true beauty of these tough journeys filled with team spirit.
Lầy quá trời lầy luôn nha mọi người.